Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally about to get another retwist. We're nearly at the 6-month mark, and Lord, I need the retwist so badly. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So this is my before, and I will show y'all an after when I'm done. Hey y'all, I'm back with a fresh retwist. Looks totally different than it did earlier. Overall, I'm really happy with the progress my hair has made since the last retwist. It's getting slightly thicker, which is good because my hair has always been really thin. So that's growth. It's crazy how it's really hard to tell like how much your hair is like progress until you like compare it to like the pictures and videos from months before, because at first I was thinking to myself, like before I got on retwist, I was thinking not much has changed. It's got like slightly thicker, but as far as length, I didn't think there was much of a change, but there is a little bit of change from this month to last month. But overall, yeah, I'm still happy with my journey so far. I'm ready for it to grow out some more, because right now I feel like it's at this stage where it's just like they're just sticking out all over the place. So we just gonna roll with it. But it's getting a little bit cuter, and I'm ready for them to actually like cover my forehead. I can't wait till the day where I'll be able to have like a little swoop and cover this big old thing. But here's the front. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. I don't know why I'm posing like this. There we go. Almost at month 6. I think I have like maybe 5 more days until it's officially month 6, but we're gonna go ahead and call this a month 6 update. Let me know what y'all think. How are y'all doing in y'all's journey? If you're on the journey, on the lock journey. And it's crazy that I'm learning like more and more things about my hair. I'm learning that my hair responds best to just water. Because if I wake up in the morning and my hair is just looking all crazy, misted, and it looks a lot better. And I'm also noticing that my scalp isn't as dry as it was the first month, the second month. But I think one thing now that I just really need to focus on, which is probably because I don't drink as much water as I should, I think my hair has just been drier, so I just constantly have to moisturize. So I think when I change a few things in my diet, I think that'll help with some of the dryness. And even though my scalp hasn't been like really dry as it normally is, I noticed that my hair, it just feels very, I don't want to say brittle, but just very dry. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna be looking mostly at that between now and my next retwist. And also, I think I mentioned it on my channel, but when I need a retwist, like I have this bad habit of like pulling out like loose hairs. Like, so you see how, hold on, see how this one is? Like I'll just pull it off, and then if it's something near the roots, I just be picking at that too. But I did good this month. I didn't do it as much, even though there was one day where I put out a lot of hair. Mostly, I've been doing fine with that. But yeah, this is where we are, month 6. Can't wait to continue sharing this journey with y'all and more updates as we go. Hope y'all enjoyed this short lock update video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But anyway, have a good night. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 23.